When we first were introduced to Swept, we had about 70 clients, and we were having a hard time growing, not because the clients weren't there and they wanted our service, but the difficulty was just being able to handle the growth from an operational standpoint. Swept has allowed us to go to, now we have over 160, so in the 3 years that we've worked with Swept, we've more than doubled, and there's no way we could have done it without them because it's given us the infrastructure to truly grow. I have a lot of things I like about Swept. Primarily though, the inspections are unbelievable. You're able to go into the business after our custodians have cleaned and go see what they've done, and that inspection gets sent to myself, to my partner, to the cleaner, and to our clients if they request it. So it just allows us to really, again, leverage the technology. Before using Swept, we had someone, texting us their supply order, calling their supply order, emailing. They were coming in from all different ways, and it was very hard to organize it. Swept has allowed us to keep it all in one system, streamline our service, so that it's extremely simple. And the other thing is actually the geo-tracking that Swept offers, so we can actually know when people are on site and leaving site, which is incredible for us because we have locations throughout the province and in different regions. So without us being there, we know our people are working, we know when they're checking in, we know when they're checking out, and that's been extremely beneficial for us. So Swept has been incredibly valuable for our clients as well. It's extremely impressive for them because they see that we have technology that holds our people accountable, that actually gives tangible results to our clients. And what I love about Swept is that you can literally work from absolutely anywhere. I can be anywhere, any place, anytime, and still know what's happening in my business. I would recommend Swept to anybody that is looking for an efficient business. We're all about working on the business, not in the business. These systems allow you to truly step back and work on the business.